Hey everyone, here we go again. Tutorial trade crochet collaboration number 2. So here I am. Here I am. Yes, it's me. Tutorial trade number 2. This was first thought up by the lovely Teresa from Craving Crochet. All the links will be in the description box. The lovely Karina Anna Crochet made my easy one-piece Summer Breeze crochet top, and she challenged me to make her Anna capelet, poncho capelet. Like I said, all the links will be in the description box below. And I made it, and I love it. So, here it is. I will show you the yarn that I used first, and then I will show you the fashion show. The yarn I used to make this capelet is Red Heart Fashion Soft in lavender. And that pretty much is true to color, what I see on the screen. It is 381 yards, 141 grams. The recommended hook size is 4mm. Recommended knitting needle size is 4mm. It's a lightweight 3, machine washable and dryable, 100% acrylic. I did not quite use the whole ball. I think there was maybe a quarter of the ball left. If you've never worked with this yarn before, I love this yarn. It's very soft, and I find it's very easy to work with, and I just love how this turned out. I think it's very feminine, and it's just sweet and so easy to make. So all the links are below. So I'm going to leave you with a little fashion show. Thank you for joining me today.